the geographical features of India. We are showing mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and volcanoes. There are so many rivers, volcanoes and plains, namely Eastern Ghats, Chota Nagpur, Western Ghats, and so many there are so many rivers, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, and volcanoes. There is a volcano known as Barren Volcano. Barren Volcano is an island located in the Andaman Sea.
It is the only active confirmed volcano in Indian subcontinent, plateaus. The Chota Nagpur is a plateau located in Eastern Ghats, and the Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in the southern and western Ghats. Lakshadweep, the group of 36 worlds, is known for sunlight-kissed and lush green landscapes. Barren Volcano is an Iceland located in Andaman Sea. Thank you. A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine the objects that are too small and cannot be seen with naked eyes. Some advantages of microscope. A microscope is a tool that helps to see very tiny things that could not see with the eye. It has a lens or lenses that help to see magnify the small object and look like a bigger object. Microscope come different types like optical microscope and aesthetic microscope. They will be used in school, science lab, hospital to study about bacteria, cells and small objects. Microscope is loop and adjusts the edges to force image to see clearly. Some disadvantages of a light microscope include limited resolution, which can make it difficult to see all the details. Thank you.
My name is Advita Mishra and we have made a greenhouse project. A greenhouse is a glass building in which you can grow plants that need to be protected from bad weather. In a greenhouse you can grow plants such as tomatoes and tropical flowers.
My name is Aditi Maurya. If you want to grow vegetables, cultivate exotic plants or start a seedling off very early in the season, then your greenhouse provides you adaptable surrounding that you need. A greenhouse stays warm even during the winters. In the daytime, sunlight travels inside and makes the plants and animals grow. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. We the students of class 9th have made a project on social science. The main objective of our project is to show a well-developed village which is name is Palampur. The farming is the main occupation of village Palampur. There are 450 families. There are 450 families in the village Palampur. 80 families are the upper caste and some are SCs and Dalits live one side of a village. 80 upper caste families has a land majority more and her houses are made out of a brick and cement plastering. SC and Dalits houses are made up of mud and straw. And there is from Palampur village, there is Raiganj 3 kilometers away, and there is a nearest town Shahpur where they sell their surplus wheat and products. The benefit of having schools in the village area is that it will stop the child labor and the village people will also get educated. The benefit of having schools in the village area is that the village people will also get the treatment in their own village. They do not want to go in the other city for their treatment. That's all. Thank you, sir.
sir. So we have prepared a model on wind energy. So wind energy is a form of energy conversion in which wind turbine convert the kinetic form of energy into electrical energy that we use for power. So we have been using this energy since 500 BC. Together with wind energy and hydroelectric energy, we have wind energy is the most utilized form of renewable energy.
Wind energy is a form of renewable energy that uses power of wind to generate electricity. It involves wind turbine to convert it into turning motion of blade pushed and moving air into electrical energy. Wind energy is a process in which wind is used to generate electricity.
Good morning. So today we had made this walking model of acid rain. So you can see here plants are being killed by it. It also corrodes metals and marbles and affects marine life a lot. And to us it causes skin hazards also. So for further information you can also see here we have written here the causes of it, reduction and happenings of it. Now she will explain further about it to you.
There are two major causes from which acid rain is formed. First is the acid which is released from the factories, and it is a harmful chemical that goes upwards in the direction, and then it forms a cloud mixing with the carbon dioxide, and then it forms an acidic cloud which forms acid rain. And due to acid rain the trees are get killed. So and the soil is also making unfertile. It is also making soil unfertile, which will create a greater problem for the future generation to grow crops and other activities to do that are used from the soil. If we do this from these causes, these can happen. So for conserving them, we have to reduce the consumption of coal. We have to reduce the consumption of we have to use electric vehicles, and we also plant more trees. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Sanskriti Singh, a student of class 8. We have prepared a working model of earthquake alarm. The earthquake refers the shaking of the earth's surface caused by the releasing of energy at the time of earth's surface, earth crust. The purpose of this alarm is to alert public and other authorities to take appropriate safety measures by the time of earthquake. Now my friend Ira will explain how it works.
Good morning, sir. I am Ira from class 8B, and I will explain you about the functioning of this earthquake alarm. As you can see the structure, I have taken a copper wire with weight hang to it inside this metal ring. I have now at the back I have connected this metal wire with the red wire of the buzzer and the black wire of the buzzer to the black wire of the battery cap. Now my friend Drishti will explain you further about its functioning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Drishti Singh, and I will explain you a further functioning of the model. As you can see, I have connected the battery cap to the battery. Now, when the earthquake will come, the copper wire will emit a sound by touching the metal wire, and it will alert the public living here.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sneha Shukla from class 8B. I would like to conclude that earthquake alarm can help in our daily life. During earthquake, this special device can alert the public by emitting sound, and due to which many of them could not lose their lives. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, this is a water purification, helps in removing undesirable chemicals, biological components and suspend gas and solid from contaminated water. The goal of this process is to fit water for specific specific work. It can this process can clean the water and help in, and you can use it